Hello, everybody. Recording live from somewhere.
Lord of mercy, all night Sunday Central.
How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be covering just a basic outline how I buy, transfer and then trade Bitcoin into altcoins. All the information that you kind of need to know off basis. So this is just general, how to turn USD currency from your bank account into Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin for that matter, and then transferring it over to trade on BitTracks for altcoin, exchange. So what we're going to be doing is heading over primarily, let's say, you have $500 that you want to transfer and trade, that you, interested in altcoins. Most of you know me as a stock trader, have been for years and years, but, I've been trading cryptocurrency and love doing it 24 hours, and the volume is just as, momentous and large in the afternoon around 8 p.m. to midnight as it is in the day as Asia wakes up, because it's a universal worldwide currency exchange. So getting right to it, let's go to Coinbase.com. So let's say we want $500 from that bank account and we're going to trade it over to Bitcoin. This is how you do so. So Coinbase.com, it's pretty much every crypto trader really knows about it. And that's because, you got to sign in and do all that, make an account. And once you do, you got 20 billion in digital exchange, 32 countries supported, 9.5 million customers served. So pretty large. So once you do, you're going to go on here and you'll be able to select, purchase, I would say, buy shares in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It serves 3. And once you do so, you could pick either of the 3. And right now, as you see, Litecoin is doing very well, and Ethereum for that matter. Now, Bitcoin had a nice little dip and, went right under 4,000 and then shot right back up. So it doesn't really matter which of the 3. I suggest Bitcoin. It's easiest to transfer, which I'll show you how we do that here in a second. Now, once you do so, you'll be able to have a wallet, a digital wallet, and you can use your bank account, credit card, debit card, or I think ACH transaction transfer, which takes, I think from a bank account it takes 3 to 5 days. From a debit card or credit card, once it gets accepted and verified, your identity, which you'll need to take a picture of your driver's license, it takes 1 to 2 days. So using this, let's go to the other alternative, which is localbitcoins.com. This is a little more peer-to-peer, as well as it checks your browser. Okay, it's more to peer-to-peer, and there's alternative ways that you can buy Bitcoin. Now, if you're going to buy Bitcoin on here, it's a little more expensive just because the individuals selling it, it's all, you can buy with PayPal, and with that, it's a little more incentive for them. So let's say $500 PayPal, 500 USD, search, quick buy, and you'll, log in or sign up and you'll have to verify your identity, all that good stuff. So what you want to look for is, 1,000 plus transactions and then 100% rating. So no one's really ever had a problem with them. You can, 150 to 941 USD on PayPal, so it's instant. You'll be able to get Bitcoin instantly into your digital wallet that they give you, and then transfer it over to BitTracks, like I'll show you here in a second. Now, you know, once you do this, it's so what's the word? It's secure. The way you can describe it is secure, because when you make a transaction, so buy, you'll be able to have a constant chat with this individual PayPal trade. They'll have their rules and regulations, lightning fast, blah blah blah. You know, you'll get 0.106277 Bitcoin. Now, once you do so, and you sign up and all that, you'll be able to be in an instant chat with them. And, you know, they'll give you instructions what to do. You give him your PayPal address, and then he'll give his PayPal address or her PayPal address. And once you do so, you know, make the PayPal transaction, and then they'll release the Bitcoin to you. Now, if you want to go the alternative route, is sell Bitcoin. So let's say you want instant, you know, USD into your PayPal from your Bitcoin wallet. You don't want to wait 1 to 2 days or 3 to 5 depending on bank account or credit card, and you'll be able to release the Bitcoin to them. So it's not like they're able to take your Bitcoin and then scam you or you know, manipulate the system, because this local Bitcoins is so secure. It's, you know, more peer-to-peer, and you have to be reassured that the money is in your PayPal, and, you know, you give them your address and all that good stuff, which is awesome. So you can go each route, and then once you do so, I mean, looking at our theory of $500, you'll have that Bitcoin in a digital wallet, and you'll have your address. So there's the USD to Bitcoin transaction method. So that's how you get general Bitcoin, and you'll have it digitally and ready to go. Now, what you do with that, instead of keeping it just in Bitcoin, if you're interested in altcoin transactions and exchanges, is go over to BitTracks, and it's pretty cool. I would say it's the largest and most volumetric exchange on the World Wide Web. Now, you'll have to log in or create an account, verify your you know, every single one of these, you're really gonna have to verify your identity and that's what makes it secure, instead of just, you know, anyone can go on there. And, you know, there's international problems with that, with terrorist groups and all that. So they want to make sure you are who you are, and, you know, it's more secure for you. So what you do, so you'll see the markets, and, you know, what I look, if you check my last video, you'll see exactly what I look for in this. I'm looking at the volume, generally over 1,000, but if you can get over 4,000, that is superb. But look at the change percentage. You only have 825 Bitcoin volume within 24 hours. This is all in 24 hours. And you'll see the last price, high, low, spread, and when it was added. Now, if you're looking for ICOs, like initial coin offerings, you'll go added 8.1. This was added. This was the most recently added, and it's been booming. So Bitcoin Cash, a little more expensive. I think it's around 600, 700. Yeah, 600 right now. You know, so you might be able, but look at this move. I mean, it's really basing out right now, kind of channeling. But let's say you have that USD to Bitcoin, and then the Bitcoin wallet in either local Bitcoins or Coinbase. What you want to do is you'll be on your BitTracks account, and it will say deposit. So you'll go, it will say wallet right here, and you want to hit wallet, and then you want to type in whatever altcoin you would like in the search bar. It'll have them all listed, and then you'll press the plus sign, and that plus sign is deposit, and it will give you a digital wallet, your BitTracks digital wallet address, and then you'll go back over to local Bitcoins or Coinbase, and you'll say withdraw. There'll be an option, and you'll put in that single address, and make sure it's the same. it's for Bitcoin. So you'll go on search, wallet, search for Bitcoin, BTC, and then it will have a plus next to it. And then you want to press the plus and copy and paste that same address into the withdrawal of local Bitcoins or Coinbase. So it will take about 15-20 minutes. Sometimes it takes even as much as 60 minutes depending on the block it's within. But you'll get it into the BitTracks, and I really suggest looking into altcoins and looking into the profit that can be made from them. So that's generally how to get that BitTracks all set up. So USD, Bitcoin, transfer, BitTracks, wallet, ready to go. So once you are all set up with the BitTracks digital wallet exchange, make sure you do the two-factor verification, I should say. And that uses your cell phone number to give you a Google authentication two-factor code every time, which changes, I think, every 20 seconds. So every time you sign in, you put that address, and you'll be set up with a more secure. And make sure you do it, because I know people that have been hacked, and actually I have been hacked for not having that two-factor identification, and that is the most important thing I do suggest. So once you're over there and you're looking to see what Bitcoin altcoin I should say is moving, is worth buying, is legitimate, I like CryptoCompare. I didn't bring it up in my last video, I totally forgot, but CryptoCompare.com. Let's let that load. We'll get this going, and this is awesome to look at. It's kind of like an analysis overview of the coins that are worth top list, BTC top list, USD top list, upcoming ICOs. And this is what I really like, upcoming ICOs, because ICOs, as if you're a crypto trader or if not, they really move. And once they move, right when they're listed, the volume for some of these, for the big ones, really start taking off. So you see the ones that were let's go ICO date, 1 day, 2 hours, which one am I really interested in coming up? See, and then they have the featured ones. So that event coin's supposed to be pretty big. It's sponsored. It gives a starting price, and you just have to be sure that legal form token type, that it's going to be listed on BitTracks. So just search into that. But coins, we'll go over to coins, and you'll get a whole listing. And these are live prices, by the way. 24-hour volume, proof type, all that good stuff. But the most important thing you want to look into, I really like going algorithm, script, proof type. It doesn't really matter what proof type. You go POW. If you just look into Google to see what those stand for, but I like script POW. Once you do so, you'll be able to see Litecoin is really moving today. It's 16% in the past 24 hours. You click it. Come on, baby. And it will give you the overview. Sorry, one hour. And you'll be able to go from that and look at the Litecoin trending posts, analysis. All this information is wonderful to have, and I can't stress enough, it's really important to have a backing of, you know, what you're really trading. Because if you don't know what you're trading, I mean, a lot of these are complete junk, worse than any penny stock. Because, I mean, altcoins can be created by anyone. I'll say that right now. Really can be. So you need to just kind of look, I mean, the more you're informed, the better percentage gain you're going to get. And that's just the basic understanding of these. So you can go CryptoCompare. So you get a general basis of what that is. And then CoinMarketCap. So, you know, you can type in whatever coin you're looking for. CoinMarketCap's pretty awesome because, you know, it has, I really like the trending gainers and losers. And you can go biggest gainers and then biggest losers. But again, look at that volume. You know, you can go 1 hour. What's really moving in that hour time period. Look into that, and then, you know, you see EBST. Wow. Campus Coin, EBST boost. You're looking at the volume. I mean, look at the how low the volume is on these. It could be one guy that just really put his 401k in. Ripple, you know, in the past hour. It's moved, but you're looking most importantly at the volume, because the volatility is important to understand in altcoin, you know, trading. Okay, we're at CoinAG. Now CoinAG, it's something you have to, it's CoinIGY.com, and you can get a 30-day free trial with no risk involved with it. So what it is, it's more, if you're familiar with Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, or E-Trade for that matter, the trading platform. This is the Mensa of crypto charting and all the information you can get from it. So, you know, what you can do on here, it's pretty limitless in terms of alerts, you know, trading through it, because you set up the API to be able to trade with CoinAG and set stop losses, trigger trades, and pretty much everything you can do on Thinkorswim. So what I'm on right now, you want to go to markets. BTRX stands for BitTracks, and then whatever coin you're in. Now if you're trading in the Bitcoin you know, exchange market, you want to make sure that you're selecting the BTC next to it. So let me just get, for example, I'm in XRP BTC, which is Ripple, just like we saw. And you know what you can do from here, you can actually set a personalized background, make it look more presentable, but you can also zoom in and select, you know, 15 minutes, let's go 15 minutes, and get these levels and the crucial levels of, you know, the charting that you wouldn't get anywhere else. You can set the, you know, you can use the tools to create trend lines and price, you know, price levels, and then text, everything you can do in Thinkorswim pretty much. Set alerts, and you can set a buy order and also a sell order. So if you want to short it, you can do that as well. Now the awesome thing is, if I can find it, there, no, indicators. Wait, moving average weighted. Select that. That's VWAP for those who aren't familiar with it, and you'll be able to get a better indication. Let's see here. Background. You see, you can set the background to whatever your self-interest is. Let's go white. More presentable. You get the whole setup there. So you see this VWAP, it's really, you know, set around that trend level. And let's go set some moving average as well. So we'll set that. You see how that's kind of just testing that VWAP. It's moving with it, but what I like, the hourly with it. So once you get that, you get the DMAs, you'll be able to see kind of the trend better than what you can on BitTracks charting. It's just simple trading view charting, but it does, it's useful, but I wouldn't say you should depend on it. You should outsource your entire knowledge of what the charting is doing, and then you'll be able to get a clear indication of the data. If you select over the data, you'll be able to see what's being purchased at any time. You get the L2s, series 2s as they call them here. There's a nice chart for it, series 2. And then the general, because cryptocurrency, it can't be manipulated by hedge funds, by any large investor that is trying to mask their trade. You get to see everything in the forefront and up front, ready to go. So you see all the transactions coming through, you get the chart, you get the entire oversight. So let's go 3 month, and as you see here, that is a crucial move it's trying to make. Now if you're, this is Ripple again, so you get all this awesome information and just course oversight with the charting. And we'll go back over to my last suggestion of site that for you to check out. If you want to know any more information and take a full-fledged course and up your knowledge about it, go over to coursera.org/learn/cryptocurrency. And this is created by actually a friend of mine, which I went to college with, and he teaches pretty much the fundamentals from mining to trading to investing, and all the basic information, just like it's a college course. It's supposed to be structured like a college course, and you get assignments, which are just handed in to him and then just created by Princeton University. And you get, so you enroll and you get to take these. We'll go to syllabus, and it's free, by the way. It's free. But Arvind, he's really awesome with the way he teaches and structured the class. He's one of the smartest guys I've ever known, so I really suggest looking into that. Again, it's free, and it's you'll be able to know everything about cryptocurrency if you do take my suggestion and check it out. So it's Coursera, and 100% ready to go. So with that, this is Alex from winningtradesforyou.com. Really want many people who are familiar with stock trading to be more familiar with cryptocurrency, because it is stock trading for penny stocks on steroids, as these things are moving and they're not stopping. So I hope you have a great day. I hope this video, kind of lengthy, but helped you to understand what the heck is going on with cryptocurrency, from trading, transferring USD to Bitcoin to the altcoin exchanges and moving from there. So thanks for watching. The more to come, and this is part 2 of Cryptopia by winningtradesforyou.com.